Hey there.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It.
We made it. I'm BJ.
And I'm Corey.
And we're the Mays.
We are.
And we have a special treat for you. It's sweater weather. I mean, it's not, but...
Not here.
Not in Georgia. It was what? It was 85 degrees and humid.
Today I was in the pool.
That's ridiculous.
But all over the country.
Elsewhere, it's sweater weather.
Sweater weather. It's tailgating weather. It's blankets and hot mugs of things. And best of all, for us, basic white girls.
Pumpkin spice time.
Woo! Pumpkin spice, all the things.
Pumpkin spice everything.
So we are going to do...
Not one.
Not two.
Not four.
Three.
3 drinks in
Pumpkin
one video.
Spice.
Pumpkin spice drinks. 3.
3 of them.
For the price of one. For the low price of free.
Because it's pumpkin spice mania.
It is. It is pumpkin spice mania.
Because you gotta pumpkin spice all the things.
All the things. And the first thing we're going to pumpkin spice is...
a pumpkin spice old fashioned.
Oh, yeah. And the key ingredient is...
pumpkin spice syrup. Now.
Oh, boy.
Okay, listen. Normally, I looked at this the first time and I pinned it on Pinterest and I went, nah.
Too much work.
That is so much. We're gonna doing that. But how long did it take us to make this?
About 14 minutes.
Yeah. It's just like a simple syrup, but it's got more stuff in it.
Like actual real pumpkin.
Real pumpkin and pumpkin spices, ginger root.
So wonderful.
A little bit of everything.
And because it's the linchpin of the drink, the rest of the items in the drink are going to seem a little bit underwhelming.
Yes.
That really is the whole drink. That's the star.
The drink. And you make it. It's worth it. I know you'll look at the recipe too and go, oh, I don't know. But trust me, it's worth it.
Trust her.
So we're going to put some ice in here. I want to save some for our glass. It's starting to melt. So
is it a little slippery?
It's really slippery. All right. And then how much of our syrup do we need?
We are going to put 1 ounce.
Oh, and I didn't shake it. So all the good stuff settles on the bottom. It's kind of sludgy.
Give it a little zhuzh.
So we're just going to give it a little shake. Okay, so I'm going to do the syrup first so that the bourbon will sort of rinse out my, my shot glass too.
Normally you would not shake an old-fashioned either.
No.
One of the reasons that I like an old-fashioned as one of my go-to drinks for me is that it can be prepared completely in the glass. And you don't really even need a measuring device at all. No measuring cup or jigger or anything. Because it's just 2 fingers of rye and the rest of the items are counted in shakes or teaspoons that can be estimated easily.
Right.
But this, because the syrup is so thick...
You gotta shake it. Okay, so it is too cold to hold.
Too cold to hold.
But before we put it in our glass, we're going to rim our rocks glass here. BJ's just going to use the syrup that's in the last shaker there.
The measuring cup.
Oh, in the measuring cup, yeah.
Just put a little of that around. You knew what you meant. A little bit around the rim, and we mixed up some cinnamon sugar, just very
super fine sugar, just with some cinnamon.
Now you'll notice we only made 1.
We usually make 2.
We always make 2.
Always.
Every time.
Yeah. But
why?
We're making 3 different drinks,
and 3 drinks
we'd
in one
like
shot.
to be vertical for the 3rd one.
Yeah. Let's not get irresponsible. We're going to share.
We're going to share.
It's amazing.
Aww.
It's a record-breaking day.
All right. Yeah, you're actually going to share your drink with me.
I know. It's rare.
It's kind of amazing.
It can happen.
All right. Oh, I got to leave room, don't I?
Well, that's the drink. Do what happens.
That's good. Yep.
All right. Last ingredient, and we're going to top it up with just some club soda.
Yep.
Just add a little fizz.
Just a little bit.
Look how beautiful that is.
Who gets to take the first drink?
You do.
Aw.
There you go.
You're so sweet. You might have to make your own.
The sharing thing might not be working.
I mean, I've shared a whole lot with you over the last almost 16 years.
Yeah, this drink is maybe not a contender.
Where I draw the lines.
This is where it stops. So remind me where we got this recipe.
Dishingupthedirt.com.
Dishingupthedirt.com. Thank you.
Thank you
to
so
you
much.
Folks.
This is delightful. We'll put the link
in the description.
In the description, so that you fine folks can go and find the recipe for this amazing syrup. Make it, double it, triple it, quadruple it.
Oh, yeah. What is drink number 2?
Drink number 2 is a pumpkin caramel Moscow Mule.
Ooh.
Pumpkin spice caramel Moscow Mule, because it's really caramel. Do you say caramel or do you say caramel?
I say caramel.
I say caramel most of the time. I think you're rubbing off on me.
Should we fight it out?
No.
Box over it?
I mean,
You'd probably win.
Probably.
So,
I'm pretty scrappy.
Let's not do that.
But it's very caramel forward, I say.
It's very caramel forward.
Yeah.
It's very sweet. It's delicious. And you're going to really like it because it's another dessert drink. Because dessert drinks, why not?
Super sweet and awesome.
So, what do we start with?
Normally, we don't shake a Moscow Mule.
This is true
because we are using our pumpkin spice syrup again, we got to dissolve it.
That's right. And we're not going to shake the ginger beer.
Don't shake your ginger beer. You'll have a ginger beer apocalypse on your hands.
A ginger beer apocalypse.
A ginger apocalypse.
It's a mess.
It'll be a mess.
It will be a disaster.
All over your bar. How much of the caramel vodka?
We're going to put 2 ounces of the caramel vodka.
This is a thing now, isn't it? How much of our syrupy syrup?
1 ounce of our syrup is going in there.
Okay. 1 ounce. That's it.
That's it for that. Just shake up those 2 ingredients until it's too cold to hold.
All right, my shaker's too cold, so in our cup it goes. Oh, we need some ice.
Let's get some ice in there. I'm just watching you make this drink.
I know, you're just standing there. God.
I'm totally useless.
Just a lump today.
In goes the shaken ingredients. We're going to ignore that lump comment.
I love you. Okay, and it goes, and then we will put our ginger beer in there.
And we're going to do 5 ounces of ginger beer.
Which is more than we normally use for a mule, but with the caramel, you really need that ginger flavor to balance it out, the effervescence.
But what do you do about the caramel flavor, though?
You slap your husband's face.
Okay, are you going to have the first sip?
No, you can this time.
I get the first? Yeah. Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
I had the last one. Well, don't leave us hanging.
It's so yummy.
I mean,
you should have some.
I already know it's good.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The caramel vodka adds an awful lot of sweetness. It is
so sweet.
Very much a dessert sort of drink, but it is very tasty.
Yeah, if you wanted to make it a little less sweet, you could use half caramel, half regular vodka.
Absolutely.
I think. Big hit. Go make one.
All right.
We will be back in just a second with numero tres.
Drink number 3. What?
Drink number 3. Hey.
And we're back.
We're back.
Poof.
For number 3.
Oh my goodness. More ingredients.
Lots of ingredients.
Actually, a lot more ingredients this time.
Yeah. So this one is a pumpkin spice latte martini. PSL.
PSL.
Martini. Now, I used to be a huge fan
of Starbucks.
Of PSL.
Yeah.
But because I drink my coffee black now, I kind of can't handle it. It's too much sweet. So, and I couldn't find a good, like, I want to sort of recreate those flavors. So we sort of just made up our own. But this has actual canned pumpkin in it.
True story.
So I'm going to start with that. And I have opened my can and have just been using a couple spoonfuls here and there. So I'm just going to use the bar spoon. You could measure it. 2 tablespoons-ish. 2 big spoonfuls, basically. In the shaker.
Yum.
Well, that's it for the pumpkin.
Just like that.
I love pumpkin.
Real pumpkin in
Real
the
pumpkin. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 ounce each of whipped vodka, Kahlúa, and we should talk a little bit about this.
Yeah, so a lot of recipes call for Baileys when you want to do like an Irish cream, right? Baileys is the most popular, certainly. It's the most widely available.
Yep.
But we did a tour of the Buffalo Trace Distillery two summers ago.
Maybe.
We tried this, the Bourbon Cream. Right? It needs to be refrigerated because
Baileys.
it is real cream in here.
Yep.
And it is, I want to say this as nicely as I can, it blows Baileys right out of the water.
We can talk about that later.
Okay.
But this stuff is better.
It
just is.
Objectively better. It's so good.
While we've been talking about our enormous love for bourbon cream, I have added 1 ounce each of our whipped and our Kahlúa.
And
so we're going to need an ounce of bourbon cream.
An ounce of bourbon cream.
You can use Baileys, of course.
If that's what you got, use that. That's fine.
And then we're going to do an ounce of heavy cream.
1 ounce heavy cream.
This is a must. Don't skimp and use milk.
No.
It's not going to give you the same creaminess.
We're also going to add
some pumpkin pie spice.
Actual pumpkin pie spice, like what you would put in your real pie.
Yes. Now, if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can use, I'll just Google it because I've made my own before. We're just putting a pinch in there. I've made my own pumpkin pie spice. It's like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, ginger, I think.
It's actually a lot of the flavors that were in our pumpkin
cinnamon,
spice
ginger,
syrup.
Nutmeg, allspice, and things to keep it from clumping.
Yes, non-clumping agents.
Yep. But this, I think this is $1 at Aldi. So
Super quick and
I've
dirty.
been buying that.
Time to shake it up until...
You shake it this time.
I'm going to shake it this time?
My arm's getting tired.
You just...
Shake it up.
Okay, too cold to hold.
Cold to hold. So we are going to, I left out the pumpkin syrup, but you could just use simple syrup for this. We're going to rim our martini glass with some graham crackers.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's like pumpkin pie. So we thought it would be fun.
That's very fun, actually. So festive.
So,
Look at
there's
that.
our glass. And then we are going to strain into our cup. Oh boy. And again, we're just making one.
Just one.
This really is like dessert right here.
Man.
It is just silky smooth.
Decadent.
It's like pumpkin pie, really.
Yes.
Almost. But you get that coffee flavor from the
flavor.
Kahlúa.
Hit it with a little cinnamon just as a garnish.
Top it with a little bit of cinnamon if it'll come out. There we go.
All right, so that's it. Should we try it?
Yep, totally.
Do the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me how it is. Are you still going to share it now that you've got it in your hand, or? Oh, you're beautiful. Thank you.
It's so creamy and yummy. The graham crackers are good on it.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So go be basic.
Make all these drinks.
Make them all. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with being basic.
When it's this delicious,
I like pumpkin.
I sign off.
I like pumpkin all the things.
Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
Like our videos.
Yep. And join us again on
We Made It.
We Made It. Cheers.
Cheers. Can I have some of that?
You can.
Okay.
Move your ass. You're in the picture.
Move yo ass. Is that what you said?
We'll be back.
Just you got to spank it harder.
I would do an awful lot
Oh, yeah.
for a bottle of this stuff.
Tell me more about that because I have a bottle of this stuff.
Yep. Quintuple it.
Sextuple it.
Septuple it.
Octuple it.
Octuple it. Turn me off.
That I know I can do.